I have been expecting a couple of items at this point of time, and two of them are uh, USB DAC amps. And given the description, I believe this should be one of them, and most probably the hip DAC 3. I'm not 100% sure because they didn't share any tracking details or anything like that. But I somehow down the line believe uh, it's a hip DAC 3. It reads amplifier system, and I do not think any other amplifier systems are on their way to me. So this is supposed to be that. Hip DAC 3, I think. Yeah, there is another box inside it. So yes, IFI, it's from IFI. It is of the bigger size, so I'm expecting it to be hip DAC 3. Interesting packaging here. How to open this? This is supposed to open like this. Interesting. So there is tape all over it, and I will not be able to pull this piece of strip. So I think cutting it will make a bit more sense. It's lightweight though. I'm not exactly sure. Yeah. It is the DAC 3. Very small packaging. I was expecting a slightly bigger packaging. It is small and fairly lightweight. Looks nice. Looks good to me. DAC. Setup. So X space, power match, and everything is here. The best thing about this is that they have swapped from USB A to USB-C in, so that is one of the best thing here. You can operate it without much issues, and some very good useful connectors, to be precise. One type C to lightning, one C to C, and one C to A cable. I do not need the C to lightning either, so I'll put this two back in. And this is the DAC amp. Nice. Hip DAC 3. They used to provide a recessed male USB A pin here, socket here, which has been replaced with a type C female socket, which is very uh, interesting at this point of time, because uh, no one wants that kind of stuff. So yeah, turning it on, very easy, very simple, straightforward to operate. You guys can see the light too, so it's turned on, turn off. We get X space, power match, and IE match too. The HipDAC one didn't had IE match, so this is very interesting. I like the form factor to it. Is lightweight, and just like any other IFI product, you guys can listen. There's a bit of noise coming out of it. So yeah, most of the IFI hip DACs and even the micro signature had that. So I'm not exactly sure what's loose. There is something that makes a bit of noise. That is that. Interesting. Fairly straightforward unboxing. Nothing special. Nothing bad. So this is it. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.